YouTube viewers, Cindy Oaks here. This is just a short video. I wrote another tip or a little sample project for people, and this is a video kind of going over it a little bit. Anyway, a little bit of history. I'm working on my Bible study app for the Android, and I've not got very far on it. I've got my database done, and I got a few other things. Well, I needed a master detail that had the custom adapter because I'm going to put the tree list in there. Well, I couldn't find any examples whatsoever. And so I managed to figure it out, hodgepodge a bunch of stuff together, and I figured out how to do it. And I promised God that if He would help me figure this out, I would put it out there free for everyone. So that's what this is all about. Anyway, so I'm going to put this on SourceForge, and I'm going to put it on Code Project too, because a lot of people like Code Project. I got it. Someone thanked me for my tree list. And anyway, you're going to get the source. You can't get the whole project on Code Project because they don't allow that much, those big of files. But I will zip up the source so that you can get the resources and you can get the source code and you can put it in your own project. Anyway, so and this uses fragments because for master detail you got to have fragments, and I did not want to use their little generic canned template because if you know anything about templates, they just put a whole bunch of unnecessary code in there. It's just hard to dig through, and I was just not in the mood. So I put together a fragment, the old-fashioned way. I found some instructions, plus I've got a bunch of old books and helped me out, but they were all using just plain list adapter, and we needed a custom because we're going to use the pictures. So anyway, here's the custom adapter code. We got the description fragment, and you'll see what that is in a little bit. We've got some global variables. This is where my lists are. I'm not using this one with the list numbers because I just got a picture in, and one I didn't need 2 lines. And here's the main activity that calls it all, that calls the fragment. You need this. This is real important. And this says version fragment, as in version, the Android version. Well, anyway, let's run it real quick, and you'll see what it does. Okay? And this is, I can't believe there wasn't any examples out there because this is something that's important. Maybe not for game development, but for things that deal with data it is. So anyway, let's see, is this coming up for me? Restarting. Let's see, it looks like it's trying to run, yeah. These emulators are kind of slow, and this is, I got a brand new Mac just so I could do app development on. And so this is, alrighty, here we are. So this is our list view, the list after. We've got the image and the text, and this is the detail portion here in the middle. So I think it looks real nice. And you're going to get the resources and the little pictures. I just found those icons and made icons out of them and put them in there. And, you probably already know a lot about Android, and this is not an Android lesson. This is just to help you out with the master detail so that you can do your own. And let's quit this and let's run it on the little one so you'll see how that works. So we'll run it on the little 4-inch one. Get it started. Anyway, so I hope you guys are writing a lot of apps and doing a lot of useful stuff. I'm more of a data person, but if games are your thing, go for it. It just beats better than sitting around and playing games. Write games. Okay, there's the one on the little one. So now you see how it is. Anyway, that's all for this. And I'm putting on SourceForge and Code Project. And I'll put you can just search it on Code Project. I'll put the link to the SourceForge one. Okay, bye.